Here we are, guys. This is my crispy sweet and sour garlic chili chicken, and it starts with making the sweet and sour garlic chili sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do another variation on our sweet and sour concentrate. Now this is a super easy recipe. We're going to make crispy sweet and sour garlic chili chicken. Now this is absolutely bursting with flavour. It's fantastic. Okay, we have to marinate the chicken first, and then we'll crack on and we'll make a sweet and sour garlic chili sauce. And then we can stir fry everything and put it all together. Let's show you how to do this. Okay guys, a very quick marinade for our chicken. A little drop of Shoesing wine, a little drop of light soy sauce, a shake of white pepper, about half a teaspoon of chicken powder, chicken seasoning powder. We want to crack in one egg, guys. Get one egg in there. And we want about a tablespoon of corn flour. And then all we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. Okay, that's our chicken ready for marinade, and we'll just put that to one side. I've got some large chilies. Now these chilies, not much heat. They're there for colour and a bit of texture. I've got some small chilies which do carry a little bit of heat, so it could be quite spicy. And I've got a whole bunch of garlic because it is a garlic chili sauce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a chopper. But what I'll do is I'll just take off the ends and chop these into smaller pieces so it can go in the blender. So we'll take our chili and we'll dump it in our blender. Now the same with our hotter chilies. So we don't want those stalks. And then what we'll do is we'll just, and then we'll add that to the blender too. And then we've got this whole bunch of garlic, guys. So what we can do, now you can chop it through if you want. I'm just going to put it all in there and let the chopper blender do its job. Guys, what we have to do, we have to blend this, but we have to keep some texture. We do not want to blend this into a fine paste. Not at all. Now that looks about right. Absolutely fantastic. Now that is just what I'm talking about. That is what we need. Okay guys, what we're going to do, we're going to cook this in a pan, okay? So what we need to do is have a little bit of oil in there just to cook the garlic and the chili. Now turn on the flame, guys. We do not want this banging out. It does not have to be hot at all. We need to go in there with our garlic and our chili. So get our garlic and chili in there. Now what we're doing, guys, is a little bit of a short time cook. You know, we just want to take a little bit of the rawness off there. Obviously we do not want to burn it in any way. So a nice little gentle cook through there. And then what we need to do, guys, we need to add a little pinch of salt. Not much. We do not want much salt in here at all. Now, you could use a little bit more oil if you wanted, but I think that's fine. Right guys, you can start to smell that rawness leaving the pan. Now obviously we're not going to cook this all the way through, it's impossible. So do your best to cook it without browning it. Just take that little bit of a rawness out of there. Right guys, to me, that's okay. Now here comes the secret ingredient to this. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So in with a tablespoon of fish sauce. Yes, it absolutely stinks when it goes in. No word of a lie. But you know, it's not going to taste of fish sauce. So that's our fish sauce in there. And then I've got 2 cups of our sweet and sour concentrate. So get that in there. Give it a stir around. And I have 1 cup of water. So put our water in there. Give it a good stir around. And then we need to just bring this up to the boil. Okay guys, this is nice. It's starting to thicken. And if you just put your spoon in and turn your spoon over, you can see it clinks to the back of the spoon a little. That is absolutely perfect sweet and sour garlic chili sauce made. So off the heat and cool down. There's our sauce, a quick taste test. Now this is absolutely boiling. My mouth's watering. I know how good this is before I even eat it. That is absolutely fantastic. Sweet and sour sauce, chili heat in there, don't get me wrong, there's a little bit of kick behind there. You've got that umami flavour which you cannot taste the fish sauce, but I know it's in there. Garlic all the way through, absolutely fantastic. So that is our sweet and sour garlic chili sauce made. Now guys, you can actually keep this for 6 months in the fridge, but I can assure you, you will not if you make crispy fried wings or anything like that. This is a fantastic dip. It's amazing. Just dip it in. Oh, now if you can't do with the heat guys, lesser the chilies. Put less chilies in, so lesser the chilies, okay? Now I think this is perfect, but I've lived in Asia for 17 years and it can be quite spicy, but it's okay for me. So that's our sweet and sour garlic chili sauce made. Simple. Now let's crack on with our crispy chicken to go with our crispy sweet and sour garlic chili sauce. Let's do this. Okay guys, what we're going to do, we're going to take our chicken and we're going to dump it in a bowl of corn flour. That's it. So take our chicken out of there, take it out 1 piece at a time. It doesn't matter if you pile it all in there, we're going to give it a little toss over in a minute. But what we don't want to do is put all that egg moisture mixture in here. So just take it out, put it in our corn flour. Okay, so there's our mix in there. So that's our mix in there, guys. We need to give it just a toss over in there. Make sure it's liberally coated in our corn flour. Get it all on there. Right guys, what we want to do with this chicken is we want to keep that gnarly stuff on there. This is going to make it all gnarly when we fry it. But we need to take off the excess. So just nice and gently, just give it a little shake in a sieve. Right, left with the rubbish in there. Now don't worry about this gnarly bits on here. They're going to crisp up and it'll be absolutely fantastic. So that's our chicken. All we need to do now is put some oil in a pan and get frying. Hey guys, get your oil in the pan. Now we don't have to go too daft with this. We don't have to go deep frying it too deep. Right guys, we need to introduce our chicken. We're going to put it in as singly as possible. Now you could dump this in all in one go, but what's going to happen is it's going to actually stick together and then you're going to have a hell of a job cooking it. We should get all this in one go, I think. Now we need to be golden brown on this, guys, but we don't want to fry it too hot. Hot enough, but not too hot. I know that sounds a bit daft, but it's not. You know, we need enough heat in there to actually fry up our chicken and turn our gnarly bits a nice brown and cook our chicken without overdoing it. Okay, all right, that's our chicken done. So let's get our chicken out of there. Absolutely perfect. That's our chicken done, guys, nice and gnarly. Just put to one side. Right guys, flame on, a little bit of oil in. And here we go. Right, we got a little bit of ginger there. Get our ginger in. Then our onions. Our peppers. And the end of the green onion. Get that in there. No hassle, no panic. Okay guys, just give the veg a little bit of a stir fry around. Toss it all around, make sure everything's cooked through. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go in with our sweet and sour garlic chili sauce. Give it all a stir around there in the veg, get it all incorporated before we put in our crispy chicken. And then we're going to give it all a stir over so it's all mixed in together. Now the idea of putting it in with the veg to start off with, it coats everything and then we get a light coating on our chicken. Don't forget, our chicken is crispy. We do not want it to go soggy. We want to have crispy, sweet and sour garlic chili chicken. Now just look at this, guys. It looks absolutely fantastic. I can tell you guys, this is absolutely fantastic. This is my recipe. I hope you give it a try. Now if you like what we're doing, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe. Till next time, take care.